Hello everyone, this is Lee Teng. Welcome to Formica's Home Sweet Talk series. So join me to explore interesting and unique renovation ideas and inspirations throughout the whole series. Alright, so we have our guest star for today. Welcome Daryl Aiden!
Thank you. Hello everybody. I'm so excited to be here today.
So what have you been busy with recently? Can you share
I
with
have
us?
been shooting, I have been in front of the camera, behind the camera, in the kitchen, baking. Yeah, I'm just like juggling everything. Yeah, everything together.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Being busy is good. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, of course, today you are going to share with us some of your all-time favorite recipe, right?
Yes.
Okay, I thought you're into taking pictures. I think you can cook as well.
I can.
Okay.
I have a partner who also helps me out. So I was actually thinking like, since I like to take photos, right? Why not just bake something nice and take nice photos of it also, right?
So what exactly are you baking today?
Okay, I'll be sharing with you guys one of my favorite, all-time favorite bakes. It's called the classic Ondeh tarts.
Wow,
okay, so
Ondeh tarts.
Yes, Ondeh tarts. But I'm not very worried about it today because I have my apprentice, Lee Teng.
Oh, yeah.
So,
what shall we add first?
Okay, so it's very, very simple actually. Just add everything into one bowl.
Okay.
So I've already properly weighed out this butter. This is...
For butter, do you use salted or unsalted butter?
I use unsalted.
Unsalted.
Yeah, because for salt, I'll rather control the amount
you
of
add
salt
it later.
inside the bake, rather than let the butter control the.
At least I know butter got salted, unsalted.
Actually, that's not bad. Yeah, I'm actually quite
Yeah.
shocked. You know, I'm actually quite shocked.
Okay.
So with this butter, then now I'm gonna add some flour also inside.
I think the most difficult part about baking is you have to choose the right flour.
Yes.
Right. So I can see you have a variety of different flours. Okay, so what's the difference? Because to me, if I see like with my visual eyes or naked eyes, it's like all powder.
Okay, but for me, flour is different also. So like for Hong Kong flour, right, it's actually finer. And then for plain flour, it's actually just like normal flour. But then if you want like, some bread flour, everything is different. How it reacts in the mixer.
So the end product, the texture, it will be different.
It will be different for sure, yeah. So I think for bread flour, if you were to put it in the mixer, right, it stretches more after that when it reacts with like other ingredients also.
So you add in the Hong Kong flour?
No, I added in plain flour. And then now some Hong Kong flour.
Flour, you see?
Okay.
Hong Kong flour is more for dim sum, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, just a little bit,
Okay, like that. And then some icing sugar. So for this tart, right, why we use icing sugar instead of caster sugar? Caster sugar is like, your coffee kind of sugar.
Yes.
Sometimes it doesn't melt properly within the tart.
Because...
So imagine if you were to eat the tart, you want it to melt, right? But then you get crunchy sugar bits.
You don't want
nice.
it.
Yeah,
so
we want icing sugar to also melt together with
so
the
you'll
tart.
blend nicely lah.
Yes, it will all blend nicely together. But
so it really depends on what you want, right?
Yes. For cookies, like chocolate chip cookies, you want to use caster sugar also. Because you want the crunch.
Yeah, you want
But for this,
no.
It is definitely icing sugar.
Alright, icing sugar.
Okay, icing sugar.
Of course, the sweetness will vary lah.
Yeah, it will vary.
Yes.
Yes.
Let's say you like sweeter, you just add a bit more. Right?
And we won't really go so much into icing sugar because the gula melaka filling inside is already sweet already.
Oh yes.
Yeah, so we had,
feeling.
we had to take into account for that also.
Alright,
okay, so now that we are here, we also need to add milk powder. Yeah, to make it a little bit milky and like more, indulgent.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. So the whole taste is more layered, right?
Yes, correct. Okay, so now we'll add 1 egg. Okay.
So just break the egg.
Okay,
1 egg is enough?
Yeah, just 1 egg is enough. We'll just
flavoring.
pour this in.
Just a bit will do, right?
Okay, like that, yeah.
Okay, can.
I usually just estimate.
Yeah. I think for this...
Yeah, for this I will estimate.
Yeah.
Okay, and then now we will get down to mixing. You want to get your hands dirty?
Of course, I'm ready. You're
ready? Okay, you wash hands already.
You wash already also, right?
Yeah, I wash already, yeah.
Okay, come.
You can go ahead and mix.
Maybe you start first.
Okay, I'll
I
start first.
How is your technique?
Okay, I'll start first.
I don't want to ruin
Okay,
it.
there's not much technique. Just everything. Every green. Yes.
This one is really, literally handmade.
It's literally handmade, yeah. Okay, but it's not always like that back at the bakery lah.
Yeah,
but then,
because efficiency matters, right?
Yeah.
If you really use your hand, it will take a long time.
Yeah, of course. And we can't do it in small batches like that.
So usually you use a bigger machine lah.
Yeah.
Faster.
Yeah, we have 3. So because we do different items all at once, so it'll be very, very troublesome if we need to, mix one, right? Then after that, you must go and wash that thing. Yeah, so as not to contaminate. So if we have 3 different ones, right, we can at least make up to 3 different.
Everything at one go.
Yeah, everything at one go is definitely easier.
Okay. So for mixing part, right, is there any things you need to take note of? Like to make sure that you blend nicely?
Always scrape the bottom of the bowl. When you are, always scrape it up and then like, put it in for one more mix. Yeah, because what I realize is usually there will always be dry ingredients or like very wet ingredients right at the bottom. So I usually just fold it again and then I push it back in.
If not, you will like kind of solidifies it.
Yes, correct.
Alright. Shall I try?
Yeah, you want to try? Okay, it gets a bit messy, but okay, you can try.
I'm here to learn also.
Yeah, okay, you can use your fingertips to kind of melt the butter also.
Because I don't really bake, but I do cook a little bit of like Chinese style of the
what do you
dishes.
cook?
Like very simple fried rice.
Okay, it's still okay.
Fried vegetables, all this.
Some people can't even cook an egg. So for fried rice, it's okay already.
Scrambled egg also okay.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, but baking is really my first time trying. My wife loves to bake actually.
Oh really?
Yeah, so I do see her baking or preparing. So I think, wow, it's such a hassle. There's so many things to prepare, so many different kinds of powders, flours to use. Yeah, it's not easy. So you have to really squeeze.
Yeah, you really have to squeeze. So one tip also, right, when you are putting butter into the mixer, right, you don't want to put frozen butter inside because the mixer cannot beat the butter.
So you have to actually take it out first.
Yes, always defrost it first. And then until when the butter's softened already, then when you mix in, right, at least everything mixes in properly. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so you keep your hands busy.
No problem. Getting very smooth already. Yeah.
Okay. I'll go and wash my hands.
Okay, leave it to me. Like, 师傅, leave it to me. Alright.
Okay, you
when
sure?
you are back, I'm done.
Okay. Wow, how is it?
Hey, Daryl, I think I'm
God.
too focused. I think I make a mess out of the
damn messy.
So sorry,
Okay, never mind.
See all the powder.
Let me clean it.
Yeah. How do you think of my dough? Is it okay?
I
good
think
enough?
It's actually very good. Yeah.
Yes.
It's actually very, very good.
Okay.
Yeah. It doesn't stick to his hand, so it will be very easy for us to, split it into those, and then the next step will be more challenging because that one took me quite a while to learn also. Yeah, but I'm sure you can do it lah.
Okay, so maybe we will have you to demonstrate.
Yeah, I will demonstrate it for you.
Alright.
Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll weigh them into about 18 to 20 grams.
Per bowl.
Yeah, per ball. Okay, so
you just make sure it doesn't stick to your hand, means it's okay. Right?
Yes, means it's okay. Yeah, okay. So it will be something like that. Okay, so here you go.
So how do you actually fry this?
Okay, so I start off with boiling water. So I boil about 500 ml of water per batch. So I think each batch can make you about 100 tarts. So per
2 hours of hard work for 100 tarts.
Yeah. So if you have more stoves, right, then that will be better lah. So that means you can keep cooking more pots simultaneously. But then 500 ml of water, and then I'll put pandan leaves. I don't really weigh the pandan leaves.
So you have to boil for how long? The pandan
I will boil. It's actually more of eye power. I have never had specific instructions. So
as long as you can smell
smell it, and then when you look at the consistency of the pandan water, right, I think you will know when it is okay one.
So it really depends on experience.
It's really a gut feeling, which is why they always say, right, you can take someone's recipe, but you can never bake the exact same thing as them. Yeah, because everyone has their own different ways and flavors lah. Okay, so now this is the final step already, okay? Final already. He made it. So you roll into a ball first. You must roll into a ball first, then you press down so it is a nice circle. Because if it's in a weird shape, it will just be very hard. So you press down with your palm.
Make sure it's a nice circle.
Yes.
Okay. Is it enough? Not enough, right?
No, it's still too thick. You want as big of a surface area as you can so that you can keep it's easier to wrap the entire thing. This is perfect. Peel it out slowly. Let's see if you make it out.
Wow, must do it slowly.
Very good. Okay, very good.
And then?
Okay, and then now you take one of the gula melaka balls.
Okay, put inside.
Put inside in the middle.
And then cover it up.
Cover up like that.
Okay,
cover it up.
Actually, it's quite fun, huh?
Again, like that. So you might want to just check to make sure that everything
there's no hole,
there are no holes.
Okay.
And then
just roll it.
again, so this is what I always do lor. So I watch shows. And then I'll just like keep
Is
doing
it okay? Do I pass?
This is perfect. This is like
okay,
10 over 10. Yes, I would totally hire you right now.
Thank you,
Yeah,
thank
you are so great.
Thank you.
at
Okay,
it.
let's sign a contract later.
Sign contract later. Okay, we'll sign.
Okay.
He say one, I'll call you on camera.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'll put this into the oven.
Alright.
Okay, this oven is damn cool because it is automated. So just press this and it opens.
Sensor touch,
Yeah. Okay, so we'll put it in for 180 degrees for 11 minutes each side. So after 11 minutes, I'll take out and then I will flip it again. Okay, and then I'll push it.
Right.
Okay, press conventional heat.
Okay. And
180 degrees. And we're good.
Alright. Okay, Daryl, so while waiting for Ondehs to be ready, right, can you share with us what's your dream kitchen like?
Wow, dream kitchen. Okay, my dream kitchen, right, would need to be very, very spacious.
Okay.
Minimalistic.
Okay, I think you also need to have a dry and a wet kitchen.
Yes, I definitely need that. Yeah, which I don't have that right now. And one thing that I really love, right, why I'm even here is because of this. I like the flushed countertop with like the integrated sink. Yeah, I really, really love it. And then the surface is also like very, very nice to touch. And then once I am in a space where I feel inspired, right, you can just keep on baking one. You won't dread it also. But then right now, honestly, my kitchen and the entire home is just very, very cluttered and messy. So sometimes when I go in right for baking, I don't even really feel like very inspired also. It's just like, oh my god, I just can't wait to get out of here. But when I'm in a space, now that I see so spacious, so minimal, I think I don't even mind staying here, like for the whole day.
I think the kitchen for you has to be a space that you need to get some inspiration from there.
Yeah, for sure. Because I like to take photos of my bakes also and then if the place is always so cluttered and messy, right? And it's not minimalistic, not aesthetically pleasing also, right? I think it's just, I can do better Yeah.
So is this the final product?
Final product. Final step already.
Okay.
Final step. Not the final product yet. Okay.
Final step.
Okay, so now you see, right, there are some imperfections, right?
Yeah.
So I call this the concealer phase, where we will
like
coat it, touch up
Okay.
makeup. Okay, so we will be concealing all the imperfections with desiccated coconut. So what I do is very simple, just like that, right? And then just put it inside.
Okay.
Just dust
so
it.
that is one of the reasons.
Yeah.
Besides adding more flavors to it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then also, it will look more like an ondeh-ondeh lor.
Yeah. So
you see, the final product will be like that.
Very nice.
Yeah, it will be like that. So, so we will keep doing it all the way, right, until it's all done. Then
so
you can try it.
If you want to have more coconut flavors, you add more
Yes.
Wow, Daryl, you know what? Smells really good.
It does, right?
Mixture of the pandan and the coconut. Yeah. Okay, let me try.
Okay, now you try. Okay. Okay, so today I also have a very, very special guest. Let me welcome her. She's none other than Andrea. Okay, so today she really loves my ondeh tarts and I don't really make it for her because it's very time consuming, number one. And since I'm going to be making it today, right, this is an opportunity for her to come and try
So I came all the way to eat your ondeh tarts.
Eat the ondeh tarts.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can have it. Quality consistent?
Of course.
Still the same?
Really good.
Okay, all these really good ondeh tarts, right, they will be given out to the frontliners along with all the coffee cups with the nice messages.
Wow.
So I think it's just an initiative that I really think is very, very nice and very thoughtful. So would you like to also write a message to them?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it.
Wow, Daryl, that's amazing. Thank you so much for sharing. I think that the viewers and I will definitely benefited a lot from today's episodes. Yeah. So I'm looking forward for more of your recipes.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm always more than happy to share. So I'm also very happy to hear that you learned a lot from today.
So where can we check out all your recipes?
Okay, you can go onto Instagram. You can find us at Absolutely Better.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's absolutely then better as in BATTER.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you, Daryl.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Alright, that's all for today. If you'd like to find out more, do check out the link at the description below. And remember, do stay tuned to the next episodes of Formica's Home Sweet Talk as we continue to explore the different renovation ideas and inspiration in Singapore.